Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Luna. Luna 2.0, I used to call it, because it's been a very long time since I covered Luna. I've covered Luna Classic very often, but Luna just never really appealed to me. But right now, I mean, it's bullish, so it does appeal to me. But no, for real, I've been watching this for a while. We've been talking about this in the premium group for some time as well, basically since last Thursday. Because what has been going on is that Luna has shown quite a lot of bullish momentum. All right, so you can see it right here, but you could have already seen it with these moves right here. All right, so you can already see some interesting. This is to a certain extent manipulation. All right, if you see such big moves like this, it's basically the same as right here. It's basically the same every time Luna 2.0 is bullish, but this is some sort of manipulation, will behavior, whatever. It could be anything. But it's good to know, right? Because that does mean that whales usually do make money in this. So that means that some of us, retail, will lose money. But all right, now you saw that. And then especially yesterday evening, we almost broke out above the main resistance level to break, which was $1. In the end, did not break, was a bit of a fake out, so that shook some people out probably. You can see a lot of volatility around that level, probably grabbing some stop losses, etc. And then right now we are actually getting the full bullish breakout. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on that. In general, like I said, it's very important to realize what's going on here, all right? So Luna, usually when it moves like this, you could have seen this coming. And personally, I also bought Luna Classic, I think 2 or 3 days ago. Because this was quite likely. And by the way, follow me on Twitter, because here you could have heard about it as well. I said it yesterday morning, I believe. Yeah, yesterday morning I said it. And the price then was back then was at around 90 cents. So you could have made a nice profit. And it's for free. Just follow me on Twitter. But yeah, so you could have seen this coming. But right now, I do think it's getting towards the risky ends. Like, could we rally higher than this? For sure. We can rally up to 1.25. We can potentially rally all the way up to 1.5. We can rally higher than that. Like, things like that are possible. Ideally, Bitcoin should be a bit more bullish. Like, then the chances of rallying much higher also become higher. But even if Bitcoin is kind of struggling right here and is finding some bullish momentum, it's still possible for Luna to rally up a lot. All right. So, is that most likely? I think the answer is yes. I think it is most likely that we will rally up higher. But does that mean it's going to happen? Not necessarily. There's quite a lot of resistance right here. In about, probably when you're watching this video, 1.5 hours, the 4-hour time frame candle closes. I need to see some of that confirmation. Like, I think it's most likely we will rally up higher, up to 1.25 and 1.3. And as long as the open interest doesn't crash like it's doing right here, just keep your eyes on what happened here. If that doesn't happen, we're fine. So if that doesn't happen, we can also from that level rally up to 1.5. I think something like this is most likely, at least the initial part. However, personally, when I think about how I'm trading this, I will wait for that 4-hour time frame candle to close, and I want us to find support at this level right here at 1.05. Maybe with a spike down to $1, that's fine, but 1.05. If we can actually hold that level after breaking above that and the open interest starts going up again, so for example, that it does something like this, breakout, pull back, find support at 1.05, continue. If it does something like that, that's enough confirmation for me to assume we're going up to 1.25 or 1.3. And like I said, and I know this might be confusing, that's either way what I think is most likely. Like, if I would have to give you my thoughts on if Luna 2.0 is going to crash right now or rally up higher, rallying up higher, even though it's manipulated, seems most likely. But personally, I would like to get that breakout and a confirmation that the breakout is valid before making any choices on it myself. But then again, I'm already in Luna Classic, so I do have some exposure to this, so I'm less eager to get into a trade. But yeah, bullish in general. And by the way, like it is important, the video is getting too long, but it is important to know that if we get that breakout and we do not find support at 1.05, then it could be a fake out. So be careful for that. 1.05 main level, I think we'll break above that. I think it's most likely we'll hold that, but if we don't, it's Mayday. All right. So those are my thoughts. Have a great weekend. Take care and bye.